Good morning, student. To continue with marketing mix product, and with that product mix, we'll start with intellectual property. Now, what is intellectual property? Intellectual property rights are the legally recognized exclusive rights to creations of the mind. Under this law, owners are granted certain exclusive rights to a variety of intangible assets. So they are intangible, not tangible. They cannot be seen. Order. The patent, first is patent. Patent grants an inventor the right to exclude other from making, using, selling, offering to sell, and importing an invention for a limited period of time in exchange for public disclosure of the invention. Now, invention are art, process, method, or manner of manufacture, machine, apparatus or other articles, substances produced by manufacturing, computer software which has technical application to industry or is used with hardware product, patent for food, chemical, medicine or drugs. For example, Microsoft Windows or formula for LIB52, that is patent. Now next is copyright. Copyright, if you buy a book, so on the first page, it's all written copyright reserved. Nobody can produce. That copyright gives the creator of original work exclusive rights to it, usually for a limited time. It means to a wide variety of creative, intellectual, or artistic forms or work. For example, musical composition, literary work such as poems, plays, songs, movies, etc. Take an example. CBSE is a copyright of entrepreneurship book. Has a copyright of entrepreneurship book. Next is industrial design. Industrial design protects the visual design of objects that are not purely utilitarian. It can be 2 or 3 dimensional pattern used to produce a product, industrial commodity or handiwork. Like take example, car produced by Maruti, their design is different from Hyundai. Hyundai design is different for Volkswagen. Volkswagen design is different for Mercedes, and so on. Now trademark. Trademark is a recognizable sign, design or expression which distinguishes product or service of a particular trade from similar product or service of other trade. Like take example, MDH Masala. So nobody can copy. MDH is registered trademark. Now trade secret. Any confidential business information which provides an enterprise a competitive edge may be considered trade secret. Like taking a formula of Coca-Cola, formula of Pepsi. Formula of Coca-Cola is preserved or reserved in the locker of Swiss Bank. So nobody can copy that formula. That's why Coca-Cola or Pepsi, they are number one in their fields. Thank you.